How to trade in Roblox. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to trade in Roblox. So for that, just open your Roblox account and then log into your account. In order to trade in Roblox, you need to go to the player's profile page and click on the button that looks like three dot in the upper right corner of the box that contains their username and friends followers information. And on the menu that pops up, select trade items. And this will open a page which will look something like this, that shows the available items that you and your player have in your respective accounts to trade. And then just go ahead and select the items or the particular item that you want to trade away, and this will appear in your offer list. Just select the items that you want to trade for and then they will appear in your request list. You can also choose the sweeten the deal by including some additional Robux, but please keep that in mind that there will be 30% transaction fee removed once the offer gets accepted. Review the trade to make sure you like it. You also keep in mind that Roblox cannot undo a trade, so you should be certain, and then just click on make offer and then just click on make offer button to submit the trade. Once you submit, a pop-up will appear and you have to confirm the trade request. So this is basically how you will be able to trade in Roblox. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.